Presented by Listen Headlines. Latest financial news from trusted sources. Updating daily noontime New York City.
BBC News Business.
November 29, 11:15 America, New York, bird flu. Free-range turkey supplies hit by bird flu. About 600,000 birds have been culled or have died in the UK's worst avian flu outbreak.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 29, 10:46 America, New York. Board of Italian soccer giant Juventus resigns over accounting probe. Italian authorities are looking into allegations of false accounting and market manipulation related to player wages and transfers.
New York Times Business.
November 29, 10:31 America, New York. Inflation eases slightly in Germany and Spain. The pace of consumer price gains in the two countries eased in November, the latest in a series of indications that their economies might suffer less in the coming months than predicted. A shopping area in Rostock, Germany.
Daily FX Market News.
November 29, 10:30 America, New York. USD breaking news. CB consumer confidence declines for second month, DXY moves lower. The CB Consumer Confidence Report paints a rather mixed picture as respondents appear more upbeat about current conditions but fear for a tightening labor market.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 29, 10 o'clock America, New York. Florida developers are holding off on big projects as insurance costs surge. The cost of insurance for commercial property in the state has doubled in the last year.
New York Times Business.
November 29, 9:51 America, New York. UK backs giant nuclear plant, squeezing out China. The British government threw its weight behind nuclear power, saying it would invest in a major new nuclear plant co-owned by France's state utility, EDF's Sizewell B nuclear power station in Sizewell, England, in September.
Daily FX Market News.
November 29, 9 o'clock America, New York. 10 trading mistakes to avoid in Forex trading. Human error in the FX market is common and can lead to common trading mistakes. See the top 10.
Daily FX Market News.
November 29, 8:45 America, New York. Euro-dollar outlook. EUR/USD wrestles with resistance at prior support. EUR/USD has fallen to another key zone of technical support and resistance at 1.0350. As fundamentals continue to drive price action, the USD faces big event risk ahead.
Wall Street Journal U.S. Business.
November 29, 8:37 America, New York. AMC Networks CEO Christina Spade steps down after less than 3 months. The company said its board is finishing work to name a replacement.
New York Times Business.
November 29, 7:41 America, New York. Elon Musk takes on Apple and its App Store. The Twitter owner's latest fight is a big one. The market dominance of Apple's App Store. App Store under fire.
BBC News Business.
November 29, 6:22 America, New York. World Cup. Warning over football lottery scams. Fraudsters use interest in the tournament to draw victims into replying to fake lottery letters.
BBC News Business.
November 29, 5:37 America, New York. China protests. Uncertainty reigns for foreign firms. Business leaders say sentiment is at an all-time low and call for vaccinations as an exit strategy.
Global economy.
November 29, 5:26 America, New York. UK mortgage approvals drop more than expected as borrowing costs rise. Repayment rates on the rise as buyers face soaring inflation and interest rates.
Digital finance.
November 29, 4:32 America, New York. World Bank to regulators. Get Subtech. The rapid digitalization of consumer finance across emerging markets now requires regulators fight fire with fire. The post-World Bank to regulators. Get Subtech. Appeared first on Digital Finance.
Global economy.
November 29, 3:44 America, New York. Global stocks brush off China protest concerns. Equities rebound despite Beijing's tightening of stringent zero-COVID policies.
Marginal revolution.
November 29, 1:57 America, New York. Shruti Rajagopalan has a new Substack. Get down and Shruti, how many of you get the musical reference? Here is an excerpt from the first post. Why everyone should pay more attention to India. Globally, 1 in 5 people below 25 is from India.
Marginal revolution.
November 29. 046 America New York, the cost of regulatory compliance in the U.S. We quantify firms' compliance costs of regulation from 2002 to 2014 in terms of their labor input expenditure to comply with government rules, a primary component of regulatory compliance spending for large portions of the U.S.
Global economy.
November 29. 027 America New York, first FT. UK-China, golden era, of relations over, says Sunak. Plus, BlockFi files for bankruptcy, and is it ethical to play war games?